Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power compatibility and safety gear. This is non-negotiable. Position the splitter on a level, stable surface and arrange the logs within reach. Once done, plug the machine into a GFCI outlet. This prevents shock. Make sure the cord is untangled and clear of debris. Test the control switch briefly without load so you hear the motor engage. Doing this first step saves time and prevents stoppages once you begin splitting heavy. You now load a log and operate deliberately to keep control and prevent jams. Place the log against the wedge so the ram hits squarely. Once aligned, press the control while keeping both hands on the safety handles. Operate at a steady pace. Move the ram slowly until the wedge bites, then let it complete the stroke. Once the split happens, retract fully and pause a moment to let debris settle. This prevents pinching and reduces bounce back when you pick up the next log. You finish by powering off and unplugging before any cleanup. Safety first. Remove loose bark and chips using a stick or brush, never your hands. Once clean, coil the cord and store the splitter under cover to avoid moisture and corrosion. If a log becomes jammed, stop and unplug immediately. Release hydraulic pressure per the manual, then try a reverse or use a wedge tool to free the piece. This approach prevents damage and keeps you safe while resolving the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.